Hi, I wanted to share a short little video about what I do when I am having any kind of digestive issues. I do take a digestive enzyme, but I don't like to take those too much. I worry about, everything has some sort of side effect. And I'm really sensitive. And I have found that a cheaper, and I can't always afford to replace my enzymes sometimes, as I'm on that really tight budget. So sometimes those aren't so affordable. So here is a homemade alternative to that kind of thing. I pour the juice in there. And that gives it an extra little tanginess to the juice, and it helps to settle my stomach and reset my gut flora, as they say. So this is a healthy way to help cleanse your gut and resolve some digestive upsets you might be having. This is what works for me. It's not for everyone. Some people really don't like apple cider vinegar, and that's not what works for them. But this is what really helps me with my digestive imbalances. And it is oh so good. That's good. So if you want to try this, just use a little bit, otherwise it's too strong. But it does give my juice that extra tang that juices usually come with when you get them at the store anyway. So, hope you enjoyed this little tip.